Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. Today you're going to learn how to make this beautiful rose flower from a paper ribbon. I'm so excited to show it to you. Let's get started. Here are the things needed for making this Valentine rose flower. I have this ribbon here. I'm going to use ribbon, paper ribbon. Here is a green one. This is red. My UHU, a fabric, just this kind of a crepe fabric, my scissors, and my UHU, and of course I'm going to use this paper stay. Okay, this is what will form as the packaging for it, packaging. So I'm going to go ahead right now and iron this stay on this fabric right now. You can see that I ironed the stay on it already. I doubled the stay. Okay, I placed two stay together so that it can be thick. You can use a hard stay. See the back of it. So all I'm going to do now, this very edge, one of the edge, I'll just fold it down like so. First of all, I'll add my glue just for it to stick very well. Then hold and fold like so. I want this place to be kind of sharp. Then I'll fold here like so. Like this. Then fold here as well like so. That's how I'm going to do it round. So I'll trim off the excess. Okay, I'll just cut like this. After folding the edges down, you can see that here is longer than the other side because I want here to be at the top. So what I will do now, this opposite side of this white place, I will hold it like so and just fold it down. Try to form a cone shape, something like this. You could use a carton for it, a paper. Okay, those hard paper you usually buy from bookshop. You could use that. You can use a carton. You could use anything. Okay, so I just decided to use fabric. It's a matter of choice. So depending on how wide you want it to be, so this is what I want. I'm just gonna go ahead now and add some glue here and stick it right there. After forming the cone shape like this, I'm just gonna put some fabric. You can use paper just to put it inside so that it can be firm. Okay, let me just squeeze this and put it in. Okay, then use this as well. You can see it's looking very strong and firm. I think this is enough. Okay, thereafter I'm gonna cut this piece of carton. I'll cut it round so they can fit into this place like so. Okay, here's it. I was able to cut out a round shape, so I'll just put it right here like so. Okay, now let me add some glue so it can stick to it. Just add glue at the back side and at the edges so that it don't have to shift. Okay,
this is Ahviworld.
yeah, this is it. So for our petals, this is how we're going to cut it. Unlike the previous one we cut, It's going to be a kind of a shape like this. Okay. Remember we usually fold it into two so it can be double for us. Okay, but this one we're just going to fold it into one shape like so. I'm using this particular pattern to cut it out. Just make sure that the midpoint is about an inch, like 1 inch. Okay, 1 inch. Then you just curve here and curve the other side. Okay, so that is exactly what I did in this situation. I cut some smaller and some bigger, so those smaller ones are going to be at the middle. Okay, so once I do this, I'll just apply glue at one side of it, allow it to dry up a little bit, then close it. You can see it's dried a little bit, so I'll just press it together so it can stick together. That's it. So here are the ones I made. These are the smaller ones. They'll be at the mid. Okay, I hope you remember how I got this. I just did a smaller one so that because it's going to be here, I'll definitely cut it, but I want to form it first. Okay, then I'll start by taking one first and wrapping it around it completely to cover up this green part. Okay, like so. Always allow it to dry up. If it's dry, it's going to be very easy. I'll just go ahead and apply glue on all of them so that they will be drying as we're going. We'll just keep doing it. After successfully adding glue to all of them, I'll just start placing them one after the other to this stem. Okay, so where it ends, that's where I'm going to put the next one, like so. Always start from where it ends so that that glue can stick that place. All right, just continue doing that. You can see it's forming gradually. You are welcome once more to this channel. To our faithful subscribers, I say a very big thank you to all of you, and to those who are just joining us who haven't subscribed yet, if that subscribe button is still showing red, it means you haven't subscribed yet. Remember, you are not being charged for subscribing. Please do well to subscribe so that we can be giving you more creative videos, and turn on the notification bell as well. You can see it's forming, so I will just keep, but you know, remember I was adding here and here before where it's right now. As it's getting wide, I won't be able to, it won't come together again. So wherever I see this, I'll keep placing it like so. Okay, as you place, just try to open the top a little bit so that it can be getting wide, right? Then I place again.
This is Ahviworld.
This is how far I've gone, so I'll still continue like that. See, as I'm placing it, I'll just use my hand to press the down parts together. Wow, I love what I'm seeing. This is beautiful. I'm so excited. I can't believe I used the paper ribbon to make this. Wow, this is lovely. Now that I got to this level, I'm going to just put it inside here and start dropping the other roses. Okay, so I'll need to cut this stem a little bit so it can be short. Then I'll just place it like this. You can see it's already filled the place. I still need to cut it more, like so. Okay, so I will add some glue at the base here and at the whole part, because I'm going to gum some petals there, then add here as well. Once it's dried a little bit, you just place it right there. I can decide to push it in so that the remaining ones I'll just start adding them on the outer part like so. So I'll just keep adding. You can as well just finish the whole thing. That's you can do it completely before placing it there. It's a matter of choice. Okay, I think let me just add more so that it can be a little bit wide. So I keep adding. This one is actually better. So at least once it's wide enough, I'll just place it there. Then what I will need to add at the down part won't be much anymore. Here, this is where I am. So wow, is this not lovely? This is amazing. So let me just add some glue at the body so that it can stick very well to the casing. Okay, so right now I will need to add more here so that I can come out. Okay, I'll just cut more because I don't have enough anymore, so I'll just cut more and put it here. So I'll just add up the rest ones directly like this from here so I can spread. Okay, see, add here as well. I want it to cover up very well. Because of the space right inside here is going to take a lot, so I just cut out a little piece of this ribbon, so I'll just push it in there to fill up that space for me. Okay, something like this, so at least it can help a little bit. Okay, so I'll just add glue now and stick all of them there. You can see I'm done with it. Wow, this is lovely. So to further embellish it, I'll just tie this ribbon at the mid part of it like so. Okay, so you can give it that classy look.
This is Ahviworld.
I'm done with it. Wow, this is amazing. You can give this to a lover, a fiancé, your wife, your husband. Is this not nice? Wow, this is unprecedented. Wow. Can you see the inner rose, the way it's coming out? Wow, this is nice. Look like real flower. You can hardly tell if this was made from a ribbon. This is amazing. Wow. Creativity at its peak. If you like this video, kindly give us thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that and stay tuned for more videos. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.